Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Chris Han. I review fashion, beauty, and lifestyle products on this channel. Whenever Amazon Prime Day comes around, there are always a handful of beauty tech devices that people ask me about. One of them is always Ulike. If you've been watching my videos, you probably know that I've been talking about Ulike multiple times over the years. Not because it's new, not because it's trendy, but because it's one of the few beauty devices that actually stayed in my routine long term. So today I want to share why it's remained one of my favorite beauty tech devices, what the long-term experience looks like with it. And of course, I'll go over the Prime Day deals, which are really good this year. I've been using IPL hair removal devices for years, which is long enough that I'm already way past that does it work stage. At this point, what really matters is which device I actually feel comfortable using, enjoy using, and if I would just keep coming back to like consistently. I don't really use it like a couple times a week like before because the hair removal result is long-term. But from my experience with IPL, consistency is the key for you to get the results. I've reviewed a lot of beauty tech on this channel. Some devices were really impressive initially, but they still got forgotten in the end. But the Ulike Air 10 has been the opposite. I've been still using it and I've been sharing it. If I need a touch-up session, it's still my go-to. For me, the reason comes down to three things: comfort, speed, and the results. Let's start with comfort because I believe that's what makes Ulike Air 10 special. That's what separates Ulike Air 10 from a lot of other IPL devices. One of the signature features is the Sapphire Ice cooling technology. The treatment window cools the skin down to 65 Fahrenheit degrees in just a few minutes. And it maintains a cool contact temperature throughout the whole treatment. You can actually feel the cooling sensation when you're using it. I've tried some IPL devices that technically work, but they were quite uncomfortable without that cooling feature, so I had to put off treatments. But the Air 10 feels completely different. Even on some most sensitive areas like bikini line, underarm, or upper lip, the cooling technology just makes the whole experience very comfortable. Honestly, I think it's one of the biggest reasons for it to stay in my routine for so long. The easier something is to use, the more likely I will keep coming back to it. And the second reason is the speed. It's got a larger treatment window with dual light technology. This is an upgraded feature. Compared to traditional IPL devices, this dual light system delivers energy more efficiently and it covers treatment area faster, much faster. And also includes this SHR mode, which helps target hair follicles more effectively, especially if you have some stubborn hair or coarser hair. One thing I really appreciate is that it doesn't require a huge time commitment. This device flashes up to every 0.5 seconds and also includes this auto glide mode. I use it all the time. Instead of manually pressing this flash button like over and over again, you can just glide it across larger areas, like your legs. It just makes the whole thing very easy and fast. Combined with the large treatment window, I can finish a full body session in about 10 minutes. Because I don't have like a whole hour in my nighttime routine to dedicate to a beauty treatment anymore. 10 minutes per treatment, it just sounds like very realistic, very practical for a lot of us. And another feature that I really appreciate is the skin sensor technology. With this feature, the device only flashes when it's properly positioned against the skin, when the skin is covered, and it intelligently adjusts energy delivery based on the skin contact. It's one of those features you don't have to think about it until you use it, but it actually adds an extra layer of safety and confidence to the whole experience. The Air 10 is also FDA cleared and dermatologist recommended, so this is reassuring when you're using a device regularly at home. Now let's talk about results. One thing I always tell my people is that IPL is not about instant gratification. The results build like gradually over time. I shared my results before. I started seeing visible hair reduction in as short as 2 weeks. A lot of hair just didn't grow back after months, which is very impressive. I see smoother skin, like much smoother, and fewer ingrown hairs. Honestly, what I like the most isn't necessarily the hair reduction itself. It's how little I think about hair removal now. I don't need to use it regularly anymore. So that's why I would always highly recommend you use a good device consistently for longer term results. And the maintenance is very easy. You probably need touch-up sessions from time to time, not a lot. You would almost just forget about it. And I also get questions all the time from women with PCOS. IPL works by targeting the pigment in the hair follicle. So the technology works the same way whether the hair growth is hormonal or not. Of course, everybody's experience would be a little bit different. Many women with PCOS find IPL helpful because it's a gentle and a long-term option for them compared with constant shaving, waxing, or dealing with irritation. What makes me continue recommending Ulike Air 10 in 2026? In fact, years later, I'm still using Air 10. It's a little bit surprising because every year, there are so many new launches in the beauty tech landscape. And I got to try a lot of them. Let's say after 6 months, the first initial excitement faded away and nobody really talked about these devices anymore. But Ulike Air 10 is different. It still has so much life in it. Honestly, it's probably the highest compliment I can give to a beauty device. Now let's talk about the Prime Day deals. I know that's why a lot of you clicked on this video. If you've been waiting for a sale, I believe this is one of the best times to buy. The Air 10, this device that I've been talking throughout the video, is the one that I personally use. It's currently available for only $244 during Prime Day. You can use this code for the discount. If you want a really good model with all the upgraded features like SHR mode, Sapphire Ice Cooling, Dual Light System, and skin sensor, this is the one. I would highly recommend Air 10 for you. And they also have the lighter version, the Air 4, included in the sale. Air 4 is down to $198. And again, you can use the same code for the deal. I think of it as a more lightweight and a budget-friendly option in the lineup. The Air 4 still has some core features like SHR mode and ice cooling technology, while the Air 10 has some upgraded features like skin sensor technology and a higher energy output. Between these two models, it really comes down to your needs and budget. If you're new to IPL and want something that's travel friendly, Air 4 is still a very nice option. If you're already shopping the sale, they also have this glow up kit, which is very nice. It's available as an add-on for only $20. Let's take a quick look. It comes with a very beautiful sleep mask, a hair claw, and a gua sha. Nothing complicated. It's like a cute bonus for your self-care routine. If you're already placing an order, you can definitely check this out. At the end of the day, the reason why I'm talking about Ulike again isn't because it's the newest on the market. It's because it's one of the few devices that actually earned a spot in my routine after years. I love that it's comfortable and it goes fast. I usually just quickly do a touch-up treatment after my daughter goes to bed. For most of the time, I stop thinking about hair removal altogether. Beauty tech should make life easier. That's exactly this device has done for me. So if you've been waiting for Prime Day deals, it won't disappoint this time. If you have any questions about IPL Ulike, feel free to use the comment section. That's everything for today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!